Okay, so now we're in the exam, and if I click on the link for practice exam, it'll open up the practice exam, and I can hit start. And here we go. So multiple choice questions. Try this by selecting right below. Hooray! Select all the rights. I'm gonna do a wrong just to be fun. Oh no. Let's try again. Hooray! And match the animal to the sound it makes. Cow goes moo, cat goes meow, dog goes arf. Hooray. Okay, and then with the platform that you use, if you choose to do it this way, make sure that you are telling your students to hit submit and end if there is one of those. Okay, so that's the exam. If they need to use a graphing calculator, I can click on that link, and it opens up the Desmos, and I can type y equals 5x squared plus 3x minus 4. And we see the beautiful graph. And then the last link I had in here was for an Excel workbook. There we go. It struggled for a second there. So my Excel workbook has multiple tabs, so it even is looking at the multiple tabs. I can resize it. Okay. I have to resize the windows because they're a little funky. Okay, this workbook in particular, it is okay. Some of the other workbooks, however, there are issues with the formulas not transferring over properly, and that is something that I will be working on fixing. So these are, I think, the most commonly used things are Excel, calculators, and you can do a graphing, you could put in a scientific, you could put in just a basic, whatever you want. You could put in a link to any website. So if you have a matrix website that you want to use, if you have a financial calculator website that you want to use, anything. And then the link for the exam itself. And then once the student is done, they click I am done and submit quiz. Submit quiz. The exam information is being processed. And then this is the show your work page, so they can hold up any work that they did. It'll take a photo. They can use that photo. And then if they have more photos, they can add another photo, and they could be like, look at this awesome work I did. You guys can't see that. This one. I forgot where I was recording. I'm sorry. Here's another page of work. Like, look at that. Oh my gosh, it's so cool. Use this photo. And then they could say, okay, now I'm ready to submit my photos. And then finally, there is a survey, which I did not see this And it even says instructors do not see this. So this is for Respondus itself to see how their equipment is, not equipment, how their platform is working. So, and then the students can see they have no score. And I've done this twice. And then I can exit, and it just takes me back to D2L. And so that is the student view of what is taking place. And everything is recorded. I can go in as the instructor and see everything that was happening. And if anything looks funky, I can reach out to the student. So that's Respondus.